Hi, this is Mark Sarazano from the International Piano Technician School and HowToTunePianos.com. Today's the last day for you to get the 20% off discount on piano tuning courses and books. I'd like to show you what you'll be missing if you don't sign up. You go to HowToTunePianos.com. Here's the banner advertising the special. Click See All the Deals. It'll bring you to this page, which is only available today, Monday, December the 2nd, 2024. Here are the courses on sale today. Basic Piano Tuning, Piano Tuning Theory, Ear Training for Piano Tuners, ETD Piano Tuning with Piano Meter, How to get superior stability, how to get superior unisons, how to use double string unisons, tuning temperament and stretch, regulation and voicing. And this link will bring you to the How to Tune Piano store where you can get 20% off all the books that I've written. You can also take these free lessons. Let's investigate basic piano tuning. This course is based on the first book I wrote, Basic Piano Tuning Manual. You can purchase it with this button. You can watch these edited videos from the course for free. Introduction and Method, Muting the Piano Part 1, Design of the Piano, Introduction to Anharmonicity, Muting the Piano Part 2, Dampers, Muting the Piano Part 3, Philosophy of Teaching, Muting the Piano Part 4, Tuning the Treble, Muting the Piano Part 5, Muting the Piano Part 6, Muting the Piano Part 7. The full, complete course videos are here. We have lessons from the manual and a free lesson on how to use the PAPS mute. Let's look at piano tuning theory. Basic piano tuning theory. What are beats? Naming notes and intervals, the harmonic series, equal temperament, pure wide and narrow intervals, 4, 2, and 6, 3 octaves, octave check notes, coincident partials and check notes, how to set a check note. With 5 free lessons, let's investigate pure wide and narrow intervals. This video explains what they are. Octave and then the fifth. So, with me at the piano using actual notes to demonstrate. After watching the video, take the quiz. The quiz is on another website called internationalpianotechnicianschool.com. Just register and then log in. It's free. Once you log in, quick quizzes, your course, and your lesson. And then take the quiz. Let's look at ear training. We also have free lessons here. Let's look at tuning A4 using F2. In this lesson, we have to tune A4 so that the beat rate between F4 and the fork is the same as F4A4. In this exercise, we get to see the beat rates. This is F4 fork beating at 4.4 beats per second. This is F4A4 beating at 3.4 beats per second. If you had watched the pure wide and narrow lesson, you would know that we need to raise A4 to speed up the beat rate of F4A4, like this. And now they're the same speed. It should be noted that these are the filtered intervals. The later exercises ask you to tune unfiltered intervals. Let's look at tuning a piano with an ETD piano meter. This course includes these 3 courses for free: superior stability, superior unisons, double string unisons, and includes these lessons: how we do it differently, how to set up piano meter, unisons and piano meter, sense hertz and double string unison, tuning the single bass strings, tuning the bichords, tuning the mid-range trichords, tuning the treble, and how to orally check the ETD tuning. Let's look at unisons and piano meter, the free lesson. Partials are pulsating. That means there's beating at that partial. Piano meter allows us to actually see the beating partials by looking at the black squares that are pulsing. They pulse at the same speed of the beating partial. This course shows you how to use that to tune clean and stable unisons, the #1 skill that all piano tuners need to know, and which is one of the hardest skills to learn. Let's look at some free lessons in the Superior Stability course. There are 25 lessons in this course. They talk about everything from what is stability, how to measure it, all the way to the soft blow technique, how to use go sharp ease flat on a grand, what to do for tight pins, hammer phases, and each lesson includes a quiz. Each quiz tests your understanding of 3 lessons. This is the quiz on lesson 10, 11, and 12, also hosted on internationalpianotechnicianschool.com. Let's take a look at superior unisons. Unisons are the #1 skill you have to have if you want to do any kind of good tunings. This course contains lessons on piano tuning unison theory, testing unisons, problems with unisons, unison exercises. You can even have your unisons evaluated. And these extra lessons: double string unison procedure, how to test unisons stability, see unison partials with sound beam, advanced topic of unisons, Weinreich drift, and false beats. Let's take a look at double string unisons. Double string unisons allow us to make very small and precise pitch changes, much smaller than can be done with single strings. You can test your pitch sensitivity, train your ear to hear different out of tune double string unisons, practice, learn how to use beat matching, practice tuning A4 using an ETD and double string unison. Download the double string unison procedure for free. Learn how to use the Mark Serrazano tuning system to tune accurate and precise temperament and stretch. Learn how to set a highly accurate and precise A4. Learn how to set highly accurate and precise pitches when you're tuning the temperament. Learn how to set highly accurate pitches when you're tuning the stretch, treble, and bass. The Mark Serrazano tuning system tunes pitch raises in a very unique way, making it highly accurate and efficient. How about learning more about regulation and voicing, as well as repair? This course includes the regulation triangle, the repair course, and recorded live online classes, where we go through everything that I've ever learned about regulation, voicing, and repair. And all these books are 20% off. Oral Piano Tuning Workbook, Basic Piano Tuning Manual, Beat Speed Windows Procedure, Interval Temperament Concept Cards Package, Piano Tuning Theory, Temperament Cards. Also, these courses are advertised as 20% off, but if you look, $357 is 20% off of $447, but these courses are actually now being sold for $497, which means that the price is a lot more than 20% off. $497 minus $357 is $140. Divided by $497 means it's actually 28% off. Also, the ETD piano tuning course is now regularly $1497. $1497 minus $797 is $700 off. A $1497 is 47%. These courses are only being sold at these prices today, December the 2nd, 2024. Don't miss out. If you ever wanted to learn how to tune a piano, or you already know how and want to learn more, don't let these courses go by without purchasing them at these amazing discounts. Today only, December the 2nd, 2024. Basic Piano Tune. Learn the basic piano tuning method that everyone learns. For $357, learn all about piano tuning theory. $357. Train your ear to become a better piano tuner. $357. Learn how to tune a piano with piano meter and get great unisons that are stable. $797. Learn how to get superior stability. $357. Learn how to get superior unisons. $357. Learn how to use double string unisons. $357. Learn how to tune accurate and precise temperament and stretch. $357. Learn all about regulation and voicing and how to do repairs, like replacing hammers, key tops, dampers. $357. Get 20% off all the books that I've written in the howtotunepianos.com store. Also remember, if you purchase the ETD piano tuning course, you get these courses included: superior stability, superior unisons, and double string unisons. These three courses sell for almost $1,500 separately, and you can get them for free by purchasing this one course for $797. If you're not sure, take these free lessons. Every course has them. When you're sure, click this PayPal button, purchase the course, and get immediate access to all the lessons listed in the course. This offer is only good for today, December the 2nd, 2024. howtotunepianos.com Cyber Monday, 20% off all piano tuning courses and books. Don't miss out.